Navigating car rental claims after an accident. It wasn't my fault. Accidents can happen to anyone, and when they do, the aftermath can be confusing and stressful, especially regarding car rental claims. If you find yourself in a situation where you were not at fault in an accident, understanding your rights and the claims process is crucial. This article aims to guide you through the complexities of car rental reimbursement claims for not-at-fault accidents, helping you navigate the waters with confidence and ease. Understanding your coverage. When you're involved in a car accident and it's not your fault, the next steps often revolve around getting your vehicle repaired and securing a rental car to maintain your mobility. The first thing to consider is your insurance policy. Many insurance policies contain a rental car reimbursement clause, often referred to as rental car loss of use coverage. This coverage can be a lifesaver as it helps cover the costs of renting a vehicle while your own is being repaired. Types of coverage at fault driver's insurance. In cases where another driver is at fault, their insurance should cover your rental car expenses. You'll need to file a claim with their insurance provider, and it's essential to document everything from the accident report to any communications with the insurance company. Your own insurance. If the at-fault driver is uninsured or underinsured, your own insurance may step in. This is particularly relevant if you have comprehensive coverage or specifically purchased rental car reimbursement coverage. Credit card benefits. Some credit cards offer rental car insurance as a perk, which can be utilised if your primary insurance does not cover rental car costs. The claims process. Steps to follow. First, notify your insurance company. After an accident, report the incident to your insurance provider promptly. They can guide you through the claims process and help you understand your coverage. Next, collect documentation. Gather all necessary documentation, including the police report, photographs of the accident scene, and details of the other driver's insurance. This information will be critical in processing your claim. Then contact the at-fault driver's insurance. If the other driver is at fault, reach out to their insurance company to file a claim. Be prepared to provide them with the documentation you collected. After that, negotiate rental days and rates. When dealing with the insurance adjusters, it's crucial to discuss the number of rental days you'll need and the rates you expect. Make sure to clarify what is covered under your agreement. Finally, keep records. Throughout the process, maintain a detailed record of all communications receipts and agreements. This may come in handy if disputes arise later. Common challenges. Navigating rental car claims can come with its own set of challenges. Here are some common issues you might face. Delays in processing. Insurance companies can sometimes take longer than expected to process claims, which can be frustrating. Be persistent, follow up regularly, and ensure that your claim is moving forward. Disputes over fault. Sometimes determining fault can be complicated if the other driver's insurer disputes liability. You may have to negotiate or even consider legal action to ensure your rental costs are covered. Rental car policies. Not all rental car companies have the same policies regarding insurance coverage. Some may require you to pay up front and seek reimbursement later, while others may bill the insurance company directly. Always clarify the rental company's policy before signing any agreement. Tips for a smooth claims experience. First, educate yourself. Understanding your insurance policy and the claims process can empower you to make informed decisions. Second, keep communication open. Maintain regular contact with both insurance companies and the rental car provider. Clear communication can help expedite the process. Third, be proactive. If things aren't moving as expected, don't hesitate to ask questions or escalate the issue to a supervisor. Finally, know your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights as a consumer. Each state has specific laws regarding insurance claims, so knowing these can help you advocate for yourself. Conclusion. Experiencing a car accident is undoubtedly stressful, but knowing how to navigate the rental car claims process when you're not at fault can alleviate some of that burden. By understanding your coverage options, following the claims process diligently, and being proactive in your communications, you can ensure that you receive the rental car reimbursement you deserve. In the end, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Many resources are available to help you, including your insurance provider, legal advisors, and online platforms dedicated to guiding consumers through these situations. Stay informed, and you'll be better equipped to handle any bumps in the road ahead. For further assistance and detailed guidance, consider visiting www.CarHire.Claims, a resource dedicated to helping individuals navigate car rental claims effectively. Drive safe, and may your travels be smooth.